It's blue! No, it's red! No, it's blue! No! Are you stupid? Look, it's red! Are you insane? Look, it's blue! Asshole! What? Fuck you, it's red! Fuck you! Fuck you, you! Fuck you! Yeah, that's it. Get out! It's blue! Get out! Hello, T.Dy from I Love Consulting. Today I will show you how to resolve conflict. What is a conflict? A conflict is a break of a communication between several persons because they disagreed. And if the communication between this person can continue without a break, even if they disagreed, we call it a debate. No, look. It's blue because it looks like water. No, look. It's red because it just looks like a tomato. It's blue. No, it's red.
No, it's blue. No, are you stupid? Look, it's red. Are you insane? Look, it's blue. Asshole. What? Fuck you, it's red. Fuck you, you. Fuck you. Yeah, that's it. Get out. It's blue. Get out.
In your professional life and in your personal life, conflicts can happen. And why does it happen? Because the two main reasons is because the situation can impact your reflection of culture, and the second reason is because the situation can generate from you a fear. What is the referential of culture? Your referential of culture is the adding of all your experience that you live from where you born, from the day you born. That means that from your childhood you live some experience with your families, with your friends, at school, with your colleagues at job, and all of this accumulated experience make you your referential of culture. So in your mind, you build this referential of culture, and this referential of culture help you to define your person. For example, how to behave with others, how to be in professional life, how to be polite with other person. Hello, I'm John Gregoire. Nice to meet you. Hello, I'm John Kevin, and I'm very glad to meet you. Thank you for your trust. Yeah, okay. This guy is weird. He's not polite. He don't even shake my hand, and he wants me to bend down just before him. It's crazy. Yeah, this guy is weird. He wants to touch me with his hand, but we don't know each other. And I even don't know if he washed his hand before. And he don't even salute me correctly. The fear generates worry, and worry generates anger. Anger generates conflict. Be careful, sir. You just step on my feet. Oh, excuse me, sir. Very sorry. I'm not doing it on purpose. Okay. It's fine. Be careful. You step on my feet every day. I'm fed up. Oh, sorry. I did not do it on purpose. But it's you. You come too close to me every day. Yeah, but you know that the corridor is too small. Fucking shit. You will step my feet every day. Oh, get out of my way. Yeah, that's it. Get out of my way. Yeah, I will step on your feet. And so what? In a company, conflict is always related to topics, never to person. Because it is related to a person, we call it racism or discrimination. And it's not the case. And if a conflict is related to a person's skills, that means that there are mistakes of hiring, of staffing, and it's not the fault of this person, because it's the fault of the person who hired this person in the team. Because this person did nothing wrong, he's just here because we hired him to do the task. But if there's mistakes of hiring, it's not his fault. Resolving a conflict will never result with one winner and one loser. No, it's always 50-50. So because we have two persons who are in conflict, we have to reach a point that satisfy the both parts of the conflict. Okay, then I will shift a little to allow you to work, okay? Okay, fine. Me too, I will shift a little to allow you to work too, okay? Okay, then I will shift a little to allow you to work, okay? Yeah, correct, right, thank you. But I don't need to shift, right? So you understand, to resolve the conflict, you have to collaborate. So you have to regroup all the person involved in the conflict and try to reach a common agreement. So to resolve the conflict, it's very important to not make deduction or anticipate. You have only to display your current emotion on the fact. I'm sure that you step on my feet because you don't like me. Listen, I'm very angry because it's the 10th time that you step on my feet in the week. Express your emotion is very important for your interlocutor because he will understand why the situation is not comfortable for you. Establishing facts is very important because it's the proof of the situation of this conflict. But these facts can be verified. Never establish supposition or anticipation because we cannot verify, and it could even worse the conflict. For resolving conflict, you can use the retrospective that we use in Agile, just like I described in this video. This is the end of the video. I hope that you like it. If it's the case, put some like, subscribe to my channel, and share this video to anyone you want, and put some comment right below. And I say you bye bye, see you next time.